But it's hung my phone before. So when I touch it, it's coming. But now I cannot do in my phone. I don't know what happened to my phone. I'm watching you. I know. I'm watching your shorts video. What is moving a lot? 126 people. Thank you. I just found this out. Edmar, thank you. Very hot mom. Thank you so much. Hindi pa pala ako nag-watch sa mga shorts video mo, Excalibur. Oh. Mag-watch ako sa shorts video mo. Wow, amazing. Yung pagka-edit mo, ano siya, amazing. The adding is still online. Yes, I'm still online. 133 people. Thank you. Lily does sell. Where are you located? I am asking for her. Who, ano? Lily, who? Where are you located? I'm asking for her. I see you from afternoon. Yeah, I already see afternoon. Already I stop my live and start again. Show me. You know, you got subscribed on me. Ako see. Yeah, it's, before it was 19, now it's 20K plus. Let us what you are wearing. It's 20. Yeah, I know that. It's getting more subscriber, that channel, even I'm not active. I want to see what you are wearing. Hey. Really, Daniel, I'm getting more my subscriber there, even I'm not active, and my watch hour it's getting more. Yeah. Edmar asked you a question about, that's why I asked where he is located. You ask her, Lily. You ask him, Lily. Yeah, you are going to another channel. Hola, Humberto, Paulo. Good evening. Hola, hola.